Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 410 different strategies, with 131 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 309 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,050 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, no BS guide to trading like a pro. And so, it's going to be kind of hard to put that to the test. I guess it'd be just a little bit challenging to really prove whether or not you're trading like a pro or not. But ultimately, we're going to decide whether or not this strategy can be profitable. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen. Now, the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Sentinels indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this will jump into the settings of, and what you're going to want to do is under the length of the MA, you're going to change that to 27. Under the length of the MA2, you're going to change that to 45, and then make sure they are both on the VWMA like they are on default. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the whole butterfly, and it's going to be this one right here, the whole butterfly oscillator. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And this one will leave on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. Actually, what you'll do is, I think under the styles, we're going to go in under this top selection right here and change that to area from the histogram, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we're looking for when we get a red line and black dot like this that appears. And once we get that black dot, specifically we're looking for the black dot to appear first. But when the black dot appears, it's kind of hard to determine whether or not it's a long trade or a short trade signal. And so what I did was I waited one bar into the future for the line to form the first section of the line there, and that would tell you whether or not it's red or green. In this case, it is red. And then what we're going to do is look down to the whole butterfly, and we want the area to be trading below the zero line in the red like this here. And so once those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this area right here. Didn't really form a pivot yet, but right in that general area. And then that'll give us a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a couple candles, we make a push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for, again, is the black dot to appear like this here. When it appears, then we wait one bar into the future for the green, for the line to appear, and then we determine the color of that line. You can see here that it is green, just barely right there on the first section of it. Then we're going to look down to the whole butterfly, and we want it to be trading above the zero line, and we want it to be green like this here. And so when those line up, again, that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. put a trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot that it formed right here. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, we just kind of consolidate for a moment, then make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000. So you would have been basically at break even, not including any commissions or spreads. So most likely you would have been down a decent little amount. And so not a great strategy, not a great trading guide. Definitely not trading like a pro. Compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 59 trades altogether. We had 47 winning trades and 12 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $28,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $13,800. So definitely better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate quite significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $28,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so we have closed out winning trade number 41 just a few days ago, and so that's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. Again, that's 41 trades in a row without a losing trade. In back testing, this combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade, and so it's a very powerful combination, closing in on 3 months now of being 100% profitable. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable within the first month, we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and go to the money back guarantee section right here and read up on it if that's something you're interested in. All right, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.